Let's focus on the formula for mass. So mass relation to number of moles, mass in small m, number of moles, small n, the unit in grams, and the other mole, mol. So the formula, very useful, n equals to m over mr. So the bottom mr is the relative mass, or we call it the molar mass. Then, for example, molar mass of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. How do you get it? You just refer to the periodic table, calcium 40, carbon 12, oxygen 16, and then you times 3. So you add it up together, 100. Another example, if relative mass for ammonia, NH3, nitrogen 14, hydrogen 1 plus 1 plus 1, 17. So you can refer to the periodic table and calculate the molar mass, MR. So a few more examples. Find number of moles given mass equals to mass of calcium carbonate equals to 10 grams. So once they give you 10 grams, you think of the formula N equals to mass over molar mass. So the mass is 10 gram divided by molar mass, calcium carbonate, calculate, calcium 40, carbon 12, oxygen 16 times 3. Simple calculation, 0.1 mole. So that's how you use the formula. Whenever you have grams, you want to change to moles, use N equals to mass over molar mass. Another example, find M, or mass. If NH3 ammonia of 3 moles is applied. So whenever mass and number of moles, use the formula N equals to mass over molar mass. So since we are finding the mass times over N times molar mass, N3 molar mass of ammonia, need to calculate N 14, hydrogen 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So type in your calculator 51 grams. Since it's mass, make sure you put grams. So that's how you change moles to grams. So find molar mass. Molar mass is actually very easy. If they ask O2, what's the relative mass? So it's just 16 plus 16 equals to 32. It's good to remember the mass of oxygen. Hydrogen, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So very simple calculation. Sodium, 23. Chlorine, 35.5. Just type in your calculator again, 58.5. So just use the periodic table. Take the bigger number with the symbol. Tips. Na. In the periodic table, you can see 23 and 11. Take the bigger number. The bigger number is the mass of the element.